Hi, this is Jim Sackman, your Focal Point Business Coach, and this is another of our Success Friday videos. And this time our topic is how to make employees work for you. And yeah, I recognize it's a bit of a funny title, but it's a serious thing because about 70% of all company operational expenses are directly related to headcount. And that's for most companies. There are, of course, exceptions in all these kind of things. So people ask all the time about their employees. They think about leadership, they think about morale, they think about retention. The one thing they don't talk about is how do I know if an employee is successful? And to be really specific here, I'm trying to move to objective measures of performance away from sort of touchy-feely measures. The one place where this is really obvious is in sales, where a salesperson has a quota and they either make quota or they don't make quota. Now, there are sometimes other factors in sales like product mix, like they've got specific product categories, targets, or gross margin. But at the end of the day, they're generally measured on quota. Now, the idea is that if a business plan exists and you add up all the salespeople and they all make quota, then you've made your business plan. That's how this is supposed to work. The thing is, it needs to work for non-sales employees. Now, people think about non-sales employees and they struggle with oftentimes with metrics. I found that true for myself in the past when I was asked to do that for myself when I was the CTO at Advanced Fibre Communications. It took a long time for me to come up with really bottom line style metrics and related to three things that we came up with: return on new product development, cost per port, and the number of speaking engagements. Now, the hardest one of those to measure was return on new product development. It was a challenge because there was a mix. Some costs were direct, some costs were not as direct. But at the end of the day, we were looking at a trend over time. And so all that kind of stuff averaged itself out because you're trying to look at overall metrics, not any individual piece of work. So that's that way, even a long-term planner, somebody that's dealing with corporate and technology planning like I was, can have measurements that relate directly to the bottom line. So this is Jim Sackman from Focal Point. Change your business, change your life, and have a great day.